Dear student, now this part that is comparison of reactivity toward nucleophilic substitution reaction of chlorobenzene, ethyl chloride, vinyl chloride, allylic chloride and benzyl chloride. We want to compare the reactivity of this compound in case of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now we know all of these undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, but their reactivity are different. Okay, now we want to compare their reactivity. One of them is higher in reactivity and one of them is lower in reactivity. What is the reason behind this changing reactivity, that we want to explain. Now this is your last part of this unit. So first try to understand chlorobenzene, reactivity of chlorobenzene. We know chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorine is directly attached to aromatic ring, carbon atom, and that carbon atom is in sp2 hybridized state. Okay, remember the carbon atom of benzene ring are in sp2 hybridized state. Therefore, this carbon atom having more percentage of S character, more percentage of S character. Okay, therefore this higher the percentage of S character, stronger will be the bond. That is the reason. Again, another thing is that the chlorine atom contain two lone pair of electron, and this lone pair of electron, these lone pair of electron are in conjugation. Conjugation means alternate, are in conjugation with pi bond electron in the ring. Therefore these lone pair of electron undergo resonance effect, positive mesomeric effect. These lone pair of electron get transferred toward the ring and giving various resonating structure. Okay, so I will write first for some of the resonating structure. And this chlorine gain positive charge, and then there is a occurrence of resonance. We know how resonance structure, right? Okay, so that's why now it is here. Okay, and then I will write here. So due to this we are getting various resonating structure. And one more. Okay, again come back and then original structure. Okay, so chlorobenzene is nothing but the resonance hybrid of all these structure, right? So due to this resonance, the carbon chlorine bond have developed double bond character, double bond, double bond, double bond. Okay, so therefore due to double bond character, the bond length become reduced. Bond length of CCl will decreases. The CCl bond length will decreases and it is now 0.177 nm. Okay, so that's why I think of 1.70 or something like it, but it is smaller than single bond length of single bond. Okay, this is double bond character. Due to resonance, CCl bond have developed double bond character, and there the bond length will decreases, and bond length will decreases means bond energy increases. So definitely there is more energy required to break the bond between carbon atom and chlorine atom. Okay, so that's why higher energy is required, and therefore it is very somewhat difficult to replace or break this bond by another nucleophile. Means the reactivity of chlorobenzene in nucleophilic substitution reaction is lower because this double bond is having double bond character, bond length decreases and bond energy increases. It means during nucleophilic substitution reaction we have to break this bond, carbon Cl bond we have to break, but that to break this bond higher energy required, and due to this reactivity of chlorobenzene in nucleophilic substitution reaction is lower as compared to alkyl chloride. If we compare, see, alkyl chloride means ethyl, for example ethyl chloride, and this ethyl chloride having chlorine atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which contain less percentage of S character, and the bond is somewhat weaker as compared to CCl bond in chlorobenzene. So, and again, there is no possibility of resonance in ethyl chloride. This double lone pair of electron present on chlorine is not in conjugation with pi bond electron. There is no pi bond, so there is no resonance possible. No resonance means carbon Cl bond is purely single bond character. Higher bond length means to break this bond lower amount of energy required as compared to CCl bond in chlorobenzene. It is very easy to break this bond and replace this Cl from in ethyl chloride than Cl from chlorobenzene. So it means reactivity of ethyl chloride is greater than reactivity of chlorobenzene. Why? This is resonance. In again I will repeat this. In case of chlorobenzene, chlorine atom directly attached to benzene ring and chlorine atom having lone pair of electron which are in conjugation with double bond present in the ring. Lone pair, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Okay, there is conjugation. So that's why this lone pair of electron get transferred toward the ring, and due to this we will have various resonating structure, and due to this resonance carbon chlorine bond gain double bond character. It become double bond. It is no more single bond, and therefore due to double bond length decreases means bond energy increases. That means it is somewhat difficult to replace chlorine atom from this chlorobenzene than ethyl chloride. Okay, it is weaker bond as compared to this. Therefore reactivity of ethyl chloride is greater than reactivity of chlorobenzene. This is the order. Now compare vinyl chloride structure CH2 double bond CHCl. Okay, so here also lone pair of electron is in conjugation with pi bond. Lone pair, single bond, double bond, but there is no extended conjugation. Okay, so it gain double bond character, but less than carbon chlorine bond present in chlorobenzene. Resonance effect, resonance is more in case of chlorobenzene as compared to vinyl chloride. So it gain double bond character, but due to resonance it will have double bond character, but that double bond character is lesser than the double bond character present in chlorobenzene. This bond have more double bond character than carbon Cl bond in vinyl chloride. So it is more single bond than double bond. This bond having more percentage of single bond character. Okay, and this bond having more percentage of double bond character. So definitely this bond is weaker. The carbon Cl bond in vinyl chloride is weaker in carbon Cl bond in chlorobenzene. So bond is weaker means it is very somewhat easy to replace that by another nucleophile. It means reactivity of vinyl chloride is higher than chlorobenzene, but and again it is higher than lower than ethyl chloride, because ethyl chloride carbon Cl bond is purely the single bond. It has somewhat double bond character. Okay, so reactivity of ethyl chloride is greater than vinyl chloride, which is greater than chlorobenzene. This is the order of reactivity among these three. Now allylic chloride, allyl chloride. Okay, so this is the structure for this allyl chloride. Again allyl chloride is this. We will complete it one by one. Consider allyl chloride. See what is the difference between allyl chloride and vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is this CH2 double bond CHCl. Here chlorine atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, but here chlorine atom attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. This carbon atom to which chlorine atom attached is sp3, not sp2. And here this lone pair of electron are non-conjugated, are there is no more conjugation. See, lone pair of electron, single bond and again single bond. There is no conjugated pi bond system in allylic chloride. So possibility of resonance is 0. There is no more resonance. No more resonance means the carbon Cl bond is purely single bond. Okay, that's why the reactivity of allyl chloride is much lower than chlorobenzene. Okay, but see again what, if we remove this chlorine, after removing this chlorine, okay, you will get carbocation. Now after this carbocation, the positive charge of carbon is in conjugation with double bond, means after removing chlorine atom Cl minus, whatever carbocation form in the reaction, that carbocation showing resonance, means this part is more stable than this part. Therefore this reaction favored in this reaction, and it is very easy to remove chlorine atom from allylic chloride. That's why this allylic chloride easily undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction even than allylic chloride. So reactivity of allyl chloride is higher than vinylic chloride. So definitely ethyl chloride is higher or even higher than this. Okay, allyl chloride, then ethyl chloride, then vinyl chloride, and then chlorobenzene. Okay, so this is the reactivity of various halides: allyl chloride, ethyl chloride, vinyl chloride, and chlorobenzene. Now last is benzyl chloride. We know benzyl chloride. In case of benzyl chloride, again benzyl chloride atom, this chlorine atom attached to side chain. In case, just like vinyl halide, see the similarity. Okay, so in case of benzyl chloride, chlorine atom again attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom like allylic chloride. Allyl chloride. Okay, this is benzyl chloride. So this halogen atom is directly attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom, side chain carbon atom. Okay, it is not directly attached to ring, so there is no conjugation between lone pair of electron and pi bond present in the ring. So this lone pair of electron present on chlorine atom are not in conjugation with pi bond of the benzene ring. Therefore there is no resonance. This bond is purely single bond character, and it is very easy to remove or replace this chlorine atom from benzyl chloride. And just like in allylic chloride, after removing this chlorine Cl minus, it giving carbocation, and that carbocation undergo resonance. This positive charge present on this carbon are in conjugation with double bond pi bond present in the ring. So you will get various resonating structure, means it gains stability. The stability of this will increases due to resonance, and then you will have various resonating structure here. Okay, so benzyl chloride having even higher reactivity than chlorobenzene as well as allyl chloride. Resonance structure are less, here resonance structure are more. Therefore benzyl chloride having higher reactivity toward nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so these are the various resonating structure for benzyl chloride. It means in nucleophilic substitution reaction, benzyl chloride having higher reactivity than allyl chloride, then ethyl chloride, then alkyl chloride, then vinyl chloride, and then chlorobenzene. Okay, chlorobenzene is having lower reactivity for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Student, go through this concept. First, try to write various resonance structure and try to understand the meaning of this terminology, and then I will send you some writing notes. Then read these notes carefully and try to understand. Thank you very much.